So this is the dashboard of operator. Uh, the total stock value. This is the buy price stock of which is available in stock right now. This is the pending amount. Okay. From here you can see that this amount is pending for this bill and this amount is pending for this bill. So this is the total pending bills. Okay. Only this is the total installation pending. Fine. If you go to manage bills, you can see that this in this bill this installation is pending. Fine. This is the total revenue and this is the total profit. You can filter out the value from here also if you want. Okay. So if you filter out this filter is work for the revenue, profit, and stock movement, revenue, and this thing. Okay, this four thing mainly. As this is total stock value, so there is no date filter. This is total pending bills. There is no also no date filter. This date filter works for this four only. So let's make it default. Fine. Come here. This is the stock movement, and this is the items which are available in stock right now. So if you click water tank in June 2025, 30 items will be added in stock, but no out. And in July 2025, one stock is out from the stock. If you go pipe, you can see from in 2025 July 100 was added in the stock and 12 was sold in water pump. You can also see this. So in this way you can monitor the stock movement for any specific item. This is the revenue and profit. This is the revenue for July and this is the profit for July. If you want, you can see this in line chart. As we do not have any more value, we have only July value, so this is July, this is for July revenue. If there is suppose in June, July, August, September, October, so everything will be shown here and in bar chart will be shown. Fine. These are low stock items. This is actually a reminder if your any item is not available, the required item, then it will show here, and this is the filter value. As there is 10, so the water tank, water pump, and pipe, both items which are available in stock are less than 10. You can see there is 29, so you may ask this, we are filtering with 10 and 29 is available, so why this is showing here? If you go to details, you can understand that we are filtering out based on the actual specific item. Okay. So the 1000 liters item is available 10, the 1500 is available 9, and the 500 available is 10. That is why it is showing here. If you go to water pump, there is only 3 is available, and these are 0. These are actually not available. Okay. That's why this is marked as red also, and quantity is 0. And if you go to pipe, there is 7, 7 and 9 available. If you change it to 5, you can see only water pump is showing. As water pump is less than, the quantities are less than 5. Okay. And if you want, you can export this also. If you simply click on export, save, so you can see these items are of low stock. So you can share this Excel sheet simply with the seller and you will get the items. Okay. So this is low stock item and this is pending bill, which bills are pending. From here you can see the details of the bill and you can also export this from here. So this is all about the dashboard. Fine. So these are all about the dashboard. In the company login, everything is same. There is no difference between company login dashboard and the operator login dashboard.